For 2025, BMW is expanding its range of largest capacity boxer twins with a new R1300R, which replaces the R1250R launched in 2019. Head of Development BMW Motorrad Christoph Lischka said the new BMW R1300R takes the dynamic performance of its boxer engine to a whole new level. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. According to the company, the aim of the new BMW R1300R was to elevate the appearance and technical qualities of the dynamic Roadster with a boxer engine. In addition to its sportier and more aggressive design, equipment such as the performance variant, including sport suspension, milled and adjustable footrest, DDC shift, 2 additional sports displays, a sports seat, an engine spoiler and sports tires, allow customers to further enhance the bike's dynamic potential. At the same time, the BMW R1300R remains a reliable companion for everyday use in touring, and with options such as a heated seat, riding assistant, windscreen, and a range of luggage options, the bike can be tailored to suit the needs of each type. The new naked Roadster will use the same 1,300 cubic centimeters boxer twin engine as the current R1300GS family, which is claimed to produce 143.5 brake horsepower at 7,750 RPM and 110 lb.ft of torque at 6,500 RPM. Those figures put the Beemer in a somewhat unique position in the market, with long-standing rivals such as the discontinued Ducati Monster 1200. The base BMW R1300R is offered in Snapper Rocks Metallic, with additional variants including exclusive variant in Racing Blue Metallic, a sport-focused performance variant in Light White Uni. Thus, the ergonomic triangle formed by the handlebars, footrest, and seat of the new BMW R1300R has been designed to position the rider further forward over the front wheel, thanks to slightly rearward footrests and flatter handlebars, making the new BMW R1300R even more dynamic and sportier than its predecessor, a goal that the new dynamic Roadster with boxer engine fulfills not only in terms of design, engine, and chassis. The new BMW R1300R is also equipped with a riding assistance system, which includes adaptive cruise control, ACC, and front collision warning, FCW. In addition, it is also equipped with the optional Shift Assist Pro system, which allows semi-automatic gear changes up to 6 gears. The starting price for the 2025 BMW R1300R has been officially announced in the UK. It is priced at £13,200.